Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about HTML elements. So what are HTML elements? Is it case sensitive or not? So all these things we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, I have to create a HTML file. HTML file. So we are discussing about elements, right? So that's why I will write elements dot HTML. HTML. So for example, if you want to have the basic HTML structure, you have to type HTML and you have to select HTML colon 5. Then you will be having the HTML5, the basic structure. So in this structure, you'll be having HTML, right? HTML. And every HTML tag having the end tag HTML, right? So HTML tag has the end tag HTML and head tag will have the end tag. So it is called start tag and it is called end tag. So it's very important to specify both the start tag and the end tag. So then only your syntax is correct and you will be not having any errors. Or otherwise you will get the errors. Or otherwise you will get the errors. And you will be having title, right? You will be having title. So it is also tag. It is also a tag. So you will be having start tag and the end tag. Start tag and the end tag. And we can specify the paragraph tag. So we can specify a paragraph tag. So discussing about what the elements in the HTML. HTML. So this is what the paragraph tag is. This is what a paragraph tag is. So in this, we'll be having h1 tag. We'll be having h1 tag. So each tag we can see, right, both having the start tag and the end tag. Start tag and the end tag. HTML plus HTML. So HTML5 plus. So this was the elements. So we are having different types of elements in HTML. So each element, like each tag, will be having start tag and the end tag. So is these tags are case sensitive? The question is these tags are case sensitive? The answer is no. So we can specify both capital P. For example, let us run this program. Let's run this program. Just click on F5 and click on open the Google Chrome. So then you can see the H1 tag and the P tag, right? The content in the web browser. And now, for example, if I change it to capital P, it will work. It will work. See, it is working, which means it is not a case sensitive. It is not a case sensitive. It is not a case sensitive. So likewise, you can change the H1 tag also. H1 tag also. H1 tag also. See, it is working. See, it is working. There is no change. There is no change. So the points we have to notice. So every tag should be having the start tag and the end tag. Start tag and the end tag. So the first point is every tag should have the start tag and the end tag. and and the tags in the HTML5 are not case sensitive, are not case sensitive. So we can find it. So both, so every tag should have the end tag and start tag, the first point, and the second point is the HTML tags are not case sensitive. You can write it in capital letters and you can write it in small letters. So both are same. So if it is case sensitive, if you write the capital P, it would not work. It would not work, but it is working, which means it is not a case sensitive. It is not a case sensitive. And if you want to give some space here, then you have to use BR tag. Then you have to use BR tag. So some tags will be not having the end tags. Some tags are not having the end tags. So those tags are BR tag, which means break tag, which means break tag. Some tags not having the end tags, which is the break tags, which is break tags. So this is what uh, the HTML elements. This is what the HTML elements. So you'll be having more elements. So we will discuss one by one in the future classes. But this is the basic elements, like basic elements in HTML5. I hope you understand. So you have to remember 3 points, which is every tag should have the end tag and start tag, and some tags will be having only start tag. There will be no end tags. Example, break tag, and it is not a case sensitive. So you can use both capital letters and the small letters. So these are the important things which we can learn in elements of the HTML5. So I hope you understand. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, just please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.